Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on extracting information from your Dell XPS. Today, we will walk you through the necessary steps and tools to effectively retrieve your data. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. If you're unsure about handling these tools or don't have them at your disposal, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any upfront commitments. Begin by powering off your Dell XPS and disconnecting all cables. This is crucial for your safety and the device's integrity. Once powered down, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as they can be easy to misplace. Carefully insert the plastic opening tool into the seam of the back cover. Gently pry it open, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. If you find it difficult, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get the help you need. Once the back cover is removed, you'll see the internal components. To extract data, locate the storage drive. Depending on your model, it may be an SSD or an HDD. If you need to replace or remove the drive, unscrew it from its mounting. Again, ensure you have the correct tools to avoid any mishaps. Next, if you're transferring data to another device, you might want to connect the drive externally using a USB adapter. This allows for a smooth transfer without the risk of losing any files. If the process seems overwhelming, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs before you proceed. After you've successfully extracted the drive, clean the internal components gently with compressed air. Dust can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Be cautious not to touch any circuits or connectors directly. A clean workspace is essential for maintaining the longevity of your device. Finally, once you've completed your task, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps. Secure the back panel with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tightly fitted. Power on your Dell XPS to confirm that it's working correctly. If at any point you feel uncertain about the process, remember that no calls, no travel are needed to get professional assistance. We are here to help you every step of the way. Whether it's through our pickup service or providing a no-obligation diagnosis, we've got you covered. This concludes our guide on extracting information from your Dell XPS. With the right tools and knowledge, you can manage your data effectively and ensure the health of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.